Hi, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of this Undertaker Dragster that I picked up at Ollie's the other day. I've never had this kit, never looked inside. I don't think I've even ever seen one built. So let's find out what's inside. Thanks for tuning in again today to Pappy Tinkers. And while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little notification thing so that you can see whenever I post something new. And today we're going to look at this. Start off with, it talks about the car, and apparently this was a real car. And I can't read it all under the plastic. Let's see, it looks like it was released by Polar Lights. And on the back here, got a little parts layout. I'm betting that these are chrome. I'm not sure what this is, but we're going to find out real quick. Looks like some kind of base. Not a lot of regular parts, that's for sure. Oops. Carl Casper is America's youngest, most exciting designer, builder, and driver of show and go cars. Barely out of his teens, Carl has won over 200 trophies, and his Undertaker is the greatest yet. This wild dragster is the NHRA National Sweepstakes champion and undefeated in competition from coast to coast. When you build your 1/25th scale model kit, you'll soon see why the Undertaker was able to bury all competition. Back when making model boxes was fun. There's a great artwork on this. I like that. Good job, Polar Lights. Ah, the fresh plastic smell. Okay, there's a thing of chrome. Do the snippies. It looks like a vast majority of this is chrome. Looks like chrome frame, undercarriage, a little row bar, different sets of wheels. That itty bitty thing there, that must be the grill. Wheel backs, steering. It looks like it was plated nicely. Some more front suspension, rear axle, valve covers, oil pan, chrome motor block, intake, timing chain cover, fuel tank. That looks like a key. Huh. Oh, check this out. This looks like some kind of figure in here. Oh, cool. Can you see this? A couple little skulls, a big hand. Like an old creepy monster face right there. I can't tell. This is looking like two separate figures. I can't exactly tell what they are. But this is looking really cool. Here's the roof. This is the interior tub. No taking passengers on that. That's a lot of nice little detail on that. It's got the seat belts molded in. Certainly not a lot of room for anything else in there. The two sides of the body. Dashboard maybe? Not much to see there. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks like a tombstone to me. We got a bat. There's a bat. This looks like, I bet that is a tombstone. I bet that tombstone goes right there. I have no idea what these little things are. Oh, I bet those figures go right here, and this is the base for it. Like a little display base included. This will be cool. This will be really cool. Alright, nothing else in that bag. Here's the tires. Oh my gosh, look how small these front tires are. I mean, that's like, this would be like bicycle tires. Apparently this is made just to go in a straight line very fast. But their back ones are some nice slicks. You'll have to sand that seam down. And they're firmer vinyl, but these front ones are so thin. But it's actually got good tread pattern. That's cool. Very small decal sheet. Let's go ahead and open that, because we got to see what it is. Come on, open up. Whatever. Oh, look at this. It's got some eyes. It's got some kind of like demon faces. The Undertaker. Written in a couple different styles, so maybe the paint on it changed a couple times. I bet these could go on the tombstone. Oh, let's see if we can get this in there. And the other ones that you don't use on the car, if they don't all go on the car at the same time, those would certainly look good on lots of other things. Those will not go to waste for sure. Put those back in there. We have one small itty bitty clear windshield. We're going to leave that in there so it doesn't get lost. And the instructions. It talks about some other facts about this actual real dragster. America's 1963 National Sweepstakes Champion Show Dragster, the Undertaker, is owned and designed by Carl Casper. Carl became acquainted with customizing and hot rodding at the tender age of 12. He's been designing and building custom street cars and street rods ever since. Carl has been touring the country exhibiting all major rod and custom shows for the last 4 years. He is now president of Show Cars Inc., which not only designs and builds custom cars, but he also produces many top rod and custom car shows throughout the Midwest and eastern parts of the United States. In 1961, Carl gained national recognition for his 51 Chevy, the Exotic Empress, which won over 200 awards, including the 1961 National Customs Champion, the 1962 Hall of Champions winner, the 1963 Carcraft magazine top 10 selection. How many of you guys remember Carcraft magazine? Oh, I used to read that religiously when I was a younger guy. And the world's largest trophy, which stands over 15 foot 8 inches tall. Carl started with a 1923 T-body, and after 1,000 man-hours spread over the period of a year, the Undertaker was completed and went on to win the 1963 National Sweepstakes Championship Award at the NHRA Nationals in Indianapolis, Indiana. Hand-built The Undertaker emphasizes speed with beauty and has incorporated English Lucas headlights and special taillights for night drag racing. The Undertaker is a show as well as competition dragster. It has padded top for show purpose, which is removable for the drag competition. It also has custom grills used in both the front and the rear to give the corresponding theme to its wildly sculptured body. The interior is unique for a competition dragster, done in a white pearl naga hide with diamond tuft design. It has a fully padded dash with Warner gauges to show how the engine is functioning. For beauty and show points, all nuts, bolts, pot fin blower, Scott fuel injection, the engine heads and block, bell housing, transmission, drag shaft, rear cage, everything is chrome plated, so I guess I will not dechrome everything. I will keep it all chrome. The ultimate in painting ideas and techniques can be seen on the Undertaker. It has 30 coats of hand-rubbed diamond dust lacquer in 4 candy colors: pearl, lime gold, gold, and mint green. These colors were sprayed over an underbase of imported crushed Swedish pearl. I've never even heard of that. For go power, the Undertaker has a 1957 Chrysler engine which develops over 600 horsepower, enough to keep the Astro wheels and slick spinning the entire quarter mile. Present speeds are at about 150, and estimated speeds for the coming year at the drags should find the Undertaker aiming for new national records. 3 new Way Out projects are underway and should be available in the near future. Okay, I'm sure you guys are tired of me reading to you. But yes, so this is all chrome. It's got some pretty basic instructions. Nice history to that. I liked reading about that. Supercharger pipes. A whole lot of chrome things that you've seen. The instructions look pretty basic and straightforward. I think we're all going to have a hard time painting this exactly like it was. Here's where one of the skulls go. And the hand goes in the interior like a, I don't know, does that go in the shifter? There's the key. Here's one of the decals. Yep, that's the base. Alright. This is great. I don't know where I'm going to find this Swedish, imported crushed Swedish pearl paint, but I'm excited to start this. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you made it all the way through this part, be sure and hit that like and subscribe button, and soon I'm going to have another video of this being built. This is getting moved up to the front of the line, I think. So, see you soon with Pappy Tinkers.